Hello, I'm Sam, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series SVT solenoid valve enclosure with timer. Dwyer's compact and reliable SVT can be utilized in applications such as dust collection, pneumatic conveying, and industrial vacuums. The series SVT combines multiple pilot solenoids and a timer board in one compact enclosure. This condensed package eliminates the need for multiple enclosures and extraneous wiring. The SVT is available with 2, 4, or 6 valves, but for larger systems, the SVT E-expansion module is available, which allows up to 60 solenoid outputs. These expansion modules are powered from the main enclosure and are daisy-chained together through a DIN electrical connection, further reducing unnecessary wiring. This valve enclosure boasts a NEMA 4X and IP65 rating for watertight and dust-tight abilities and is also corrosion resistant. The enclosure prevents the need of an additional panel to protect the timer controller, which reduces cost on the entire project. The SVT was designed to simplify installation in the global market by utilizing a 90 to 240 VAC supply input or 24 VDC supply input. When the pilot solenoid valves are integral to the timer, the end user can keep the controls at an easily accessible location and run tubing up to the remote diaphragm valves at the manifold. Field selectable cleaning functions can be customized by the user using the integral 4-pin dip switch. On-demand cleaning is accomplished through the use of a differential pressure switch monitoring the pressure drop across the filters, which, once it reaches a predetermined pressure, will send a signal to the SVT to start sequencing. As the debris is knocked off of the filters, the differential pressure will start to decrease, eventually shutting off the SVT. Downtime cleaning is accomplished by closing a contact to the SVT, which starts the cleaning. The unit will cycle each solenoid 10 times, then shut down. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.